In the last video, we revealed the new wheels and tires for the STI. We got some Rays Gramlights 57DRs in this super sick Eternal Blue Pearl color. In this video right here, which is pretty much part 2 from the first video, we're finally going to be throwing on the new wheels and tires on the car so you guys can finally see what it looks like. Once you reach the end, be sure to comment down below what you guys think of the new wheels and tires on the STI. Alright guys, SEMA is super close, so we literally have to get started right away. And yeah, with that being said, let's just get right into it. Honestly though, I think the battery's dead. Toast. This is where that rear bash bar comes into clutch. Jeez, we got full stocks on the car. Jeez, it looks so freaking bad. Oh, that's horrible. But yeah, you guys may be wondering, why did we take the Meisters off of the FRS? What are we doing here? Did I get new wheels? I'll talk about that in a few, but let's go ahead and load this up into the STI. Yo, that's so cool. We just ran into a subscriber. That's so sick. I haven't posted up the STI with the new wheel setup, but I noticed he was kind of looking at the car, so he kind of saw a little sneak peek of what the STI looks like with the wheels on. Anyways, shout out to you, man, if you're watching this. But we got the work Meisters behind me, as you can tell, and we are actually taking the wheels up to bulletproof coating. So that's pretty much where I got the powder coating done on these wheels. So we are actually putting the Meisters onto the BRZ, the 2022 BRZ. So we got about a month until SEMA, and we got to get that car ready. We got to get the wide body kit put on, the new wrap, and also we need some wheels. Now, we got about a month, and this is gonna be pretty hectic. This is gonna be a pretty crazy month. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be permanent, but we're gonna be putting on the Meisters from the FRS onto the Street Hunter BRZ. We need a set of big wheels, some wide wheels that fit the wide body kit. From what I learned, these wheels right here, the specs of what they are gonna fit pretty good on the Street Hunter BRZ. As far as wheels for the FRS, I don't know what I'm gonna put on it. It might have to sit on stock, sadly, for a while until we find another set of wheels. But for now, we gotta focus on getting the Street Hunter BRZ finished for SEMA in about a month. First step is getting these wheels refinished. So yeah guys, let's get this 1 hour and 33-minute drive taken care of, out of the way, and let's drop these wheels off. Alright guys, we just made it over to bulletproof coating, dropped the wheels off. The wheels are actually over there, getting the tires dismounted. I want to show you guys this truck because I've never showed you guys ever before when I usually come up here, but dude, such a sick truck, dude. The color, the mag blue, TEs on it. How freaking sick is that? That color combo is gorgeous. But yeah, over at Bulletproof, we're gonna get the Meisters taken care of. So this is pretty much the last look of the Meisters, looking like this. We got the gloss white lip, gloss white face, and the black barrel. So we're pretty much gonna be switching it up. I said I was gonna do a polished lip, but I actually changed my mind last minute. If you guys didn't know, these used to be polished lip, white face. And then we powder coated the lip white. I felt like it would be time for something a little bit different, and I've always wanted to do a brushed lip on the wheel. So it'll go well with the kit, the BRZ, and like I said, it's something new, so I'm super excited. We're gonna go white face, brushed lip, and I'm so excited guys. It's gonna be so sick. Alright, we're about to roll out the BRZ. It's way too loud to start it, so just gonna roll it out. The previous video, you guys saw we put the tires on. So we have the 18 by 9.5 and then the two 25/40 tires. And this is pretty much how it looks right now. It's up on the ramps right now, so it looks a little bit different. But in general, what it looks like with the wheels and the tires. But I don't like it. It might be the stretch tires. I'm just so used to the car being bagged. So usually this is just like a ride height. It's nothing like a permanent thing with the bags, obviously. And when you air out, obviously it looks much better than this. So I think that's the thing that's throwing me off. So I think that's why I'm not really feeling it, because the car is on coils. Good thing is though, these exact tires, the 225/40s, I'm gonna need for the Workmeisters when we throw them on the BRZ for SEMA. So with that being said, it kind of works out. I actually got new tires for the STI, and they're right here, guys. Some 245/35 18s. So these tires are so sick, the Federal RSRR. So yeah, we're gonna throw on some thicker tires for the STI, and I might have to raise the car, but overall, this should definitely fill up this little gap right here. And I think the car will look really, really sick with like a set of thick tires. I can already tell, guys, these are gonna look so sick with the Rays wheels. So this is pretty much the last look. This is the old tire stretch. Two 25/40 18 on an 18 by 9.5. Let's go and run to the tire shop real quick, throw on the new Federal 245s onto the new wheels. Alright guys, here are the new tires on the Rays. We got the 245s mounted, and honestly, I'm so happy with how they came out. Literally the look I was exactly trying to go for, the more of the track stance look. Pretty much blocky, if that's even a term. This whole setup in general, the tire setup, the wheel with the sticker, I feel like it's gonna be so sick on the STI. I actually threw on the rears. I raised it a little bit, and this is what we're looking like. This is looking so sick. This is what I mean about the tire tread right here. It looks so meaty and aggressive. I'm debating if I should raise it or just like keep it like that. That's how it's looking, guys. This is with a 15mm spacer too. Plus 38 with the 15mm spacer, so it's around a plus 23 offset. It's honestly almost like pretty much perfect. Like, it's looking so good. Not sure if it'll rub, because I did get the fenders rolled. But yeah, we're just gonna work on the fronts first, get that dialed in. And then we'll put this car on the ground and see how it looks. So I'm actually adjusting the front coilovers. I'm actually raising the car because it's gonna end up rubbing on the tires. For all you guys with coilovers, I know you guys do it. I've done it before in the past. This thing is such a game changer. This is called a digital caliper, I believe. So instead of like counting the threads to like measure the space for the coilover, get one of these, guys. Literally, as you move it, it shows right here exactly like the measurement of the space. This is what I always used to do. I literally used to individually count all these threads right here to make sure like the other side was matched to this side. That was honestly such a pain, like counting all these threads to like kind of measure your coilovers. Just do like this, that little gap, and it reads right here, 58mm. Take a picture of this or just match it to the other side. And this is pretty much how I do it, guys. Such a game changer, guys. I'll go ahead and have the link down in the description below on Amazon for this exact digital caliper. Trust me, guys, it'll make your life much easier. This side sits at 52mm. So the other side, as you guys saw, was 58. So for the passenger side, we're gonna raise it 6 more millimeters to 58, like the other side. Alright guys, we're matched. Bottom ring. Make your life easier with coilover adjusting. Oh man. pretty good, guys. Look at this. I can't even put a finger in there. Damn, that fitment looks so sick. What you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, I'm gonna take this car off the ramps, roll it out of the garage, so we can kind of get a realistic look of what this car looks like. But yeah, so far so good. The rears are looking really nice. I'm honestly kind of concerned for them because they're pretty low. It might rub, but a little rubbing does not hurt whatsoever. Rubbing so bad right now. Watch right here, it's gonna rub. Oh my gosh. I think you have to tell me to take the 15mm spacer off, but I don't know if I can. I love it how it pokes a little bit. I could get away with a little bit of rubbing for some better fitment. They look good though?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I was saying it looks better than the stretch.
Dude, it's so dark in here. I never sat in here, I forgot.
Dude, with the windows up, watch.
Dude, it's nighttime. What the?
Dude, it's weird. Like when I drive this car, sometimes I think it's like dark out, literally, like nighttime.
Yeah,
it's just the tint.
It's
though.
just like weird because like with the windows down, look how it's like bright, and then like you're driving, and then like it's freaking dark.
So yeah, we got 20% windshield. You guys can see the difference. Tint versus actual outside. Oh, it's like a fart. Gee, that looks good. Oh, I'm rubbing like crazy.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Gosh, I'm rubbing like crazy.
Yeah, it's so bad. Jeez.
Oh, man.
Oh, jeez. The paddles.
The what?
Huh?
How'd you do it?
Shifter to the left.
The paddles?
And then you paddle.
the paddles? Hey, you said do the paddles.
Do the paddles, dude.
Alright guys, so we are about to grab something to eat, but real quick I wanted to show you guys what the STI looks like. I know you guys saw some rollers, but I'll show you guys right here. Definitely needs a wash. It's super dirty. I was actually out of town for like a week, so the car has been sitting. Car's so dirty, and the wheels and tires, like the wheels look black with all the brake dust, and the tires. But yeah, definitely needs a wash, but here's what it looks like as is. Fitment is on point. I'm loving it so far. Only downside is it rubs a lot. I believe it's like right here, so I might have to do some trimming in the near future. But fronts are good. Fronts don't rub whatsoever, and still pretty tight. Heck yeah, that looks so good. I didn't really feel it with the stretch tires. It still looked good, but like with the bigger tire and the wheel sticker, it just goes so well. Everything just flows so good. And what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you guys dig this tire setup? You know, like the bigger 245s? Or do you guys like the stretch look with like the slammed look? It wasn't really that slammed, but like the stretch tire look. Overall, super happy with how the car sits right now. So yeah, that pretty much does it for today's video on the wheel reveal of the STI and the new tires. Just got done editing it up. As you can see, it's pretty much at the end. I just gotta insert this clip that I'm actually filming right now. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new wheels and the tire setup. I think it looks sick. I'm super happy with how it came out and how it looks honestly on the car. Like I said, the only downside is it kind of rubs a lot. I think I'm gonna take care of it today though. I'm probably gonna end up like I don't know, raising the car a little bit, or maybe even like possibly trimming a little section on the fender. But yeah, anyways, I just want to tell you guys I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. Got so much stuff coming up for the BRZ. As you can tell, we got the new wrap behind me, a whole bunch of other parts as well, so stay tuned for that, guys, on the channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.